I want to show you 4 things I'm going to be wearing this Valentine's Day. All right, so I want to start with skin. I want my skin to show through. I work so hard on my skin that I want to show it off. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Eaze drops. It's more of like a skin tint, so it's going to look really natural, but give me a little bit of coverage for some of the little breakouts I have going on down here. So I'm just going to start by popping a little bit on the back of my hand. I like to use a beauty blender for a skin tint because it leaves a really skin-like effect. What I love about the Eaze drops is that, like I said, they're really sheer, but they have a super nice dry down, so when you're like canoodling with your partner, you don't have to worry about a ton of transfer or it coming off on their shirt. It allows my skin to show through, gives it a little bit of glow. It's just kind of like my skin but better, which is generally my go-to, but especially for date night. My partner always tells me that he likes me with a little bit less makeup, which I appreciate, but also I love makeup, so this is like my happy medium. Also, if you're like eating spaghetti and it falls down your face or something, it's not like you have a full face of makeup on. You have to do a full retouch. It's just like, oh, back to my skin. I'm gonna keep my beauty blender around once I jump into blush because it's just gonna help me blend, but this is the perfect base. Tower 28, Beach Please. This is lip and cheek. I'm obsessed with this blush. It's just glowy and kind of enhances your skin in this way that makes it look like you just got sun-kissed. So I love that about it. Just hit the top of my cheek. I like to bring it up a little bit for some lift. But how pretty is that? It's just like sun-kissed, right? And even though this is a cream, it has a really nice set. So I don't feel like I get that transfer, and I notice the blush stays in place. Maybe just a little touch on the tip of my nose, and then I usually take just whatever's left on my finger, which isn't much, and tap it along the forehead. So this is when I like to bring the beauty blender back in. It's just perfect to blend out any work you do with your fingers. It's gonna make sure that you hit all of those edges. I love a really natural look for a date night, so making sure that you're blending and blurring all of the pieces together, and it just looks like your skin, but better. And then we'll move into the lip. So the lip story is my first kiss in San Francisco with my fiance. It was, I think maybe our first or second date, and I was wearing a red lip because I always wear a red lip. And by the time we stopped kissing, red lipstick was literally all over my face, all over his face. It was very cute, but if I only had the Give Beauty Extra sauce at that time, it would have been so much less of a mess, and I will show you why. So Extra Sauce is a vinyl liquid lipstick. It's super glossy, which I love, but it's not often that you can get a lipstick that stays there for a long time when it's glossy, and this does just that. So I'm gonna start on my bottom lip. Okay, this is the most important part. Do not pat your lips together. You want this to dry down. You don't want to rub at all. So I'm gonna leave my bottom lip and then apply to my top lip. And then you just sit with pouty lips for a second while it dries. So when it dries, it is completely transfer proof, but the balminess, like the gloss-like effect, it feels like you're wearing a lip balm. That will slightly transfer, so you might give him a little bit of moisture when you kiss, but the color itself is gonna stay in place. So you can see how glossy it is, but zero transfer. I'm gonna pretend that I'm kissing my fiance. And there's nothing. It's like a little bit of balm comes off. You'll give him some hydration, but the color stays in place. If I had this for our first kiss, it would have been a lot less embarrassing, but I'll take the cute story. Okay, last touch for date night is always a fragrance. I want to smell yummy, so I'm going to use the KAYALI Yum. This is pistachio gelato, and it actually reminds me of our first date for Valentine's Day because we had like a dessert date filled with cotton candy and marshmallows, and that's all of the notes in this fragrance, which is just perfect. So quick spritz, and now I'll smell good when he comes in for the kiss. I feel like I brought together all of my dating experience with makeup transfer and also Valentine's Day memories to create this look, so I really hope that you love it and try something out.